So this question looks like it's going to be a simplified question. I know that without reading the question because simplified questions are typically between 1 and 3 lines long, right? So 1 to 3 lines. So very short questions are typically what I call simplified questions. So what do I mean by simplify? What I mean is you take whatever expression or equation is provided, in this case, this here, which I'll just rewrite, 2 to the 2x plus 7 is equal to 2 to the 15th. And we just look to simplify it. Now, the question does say for what value of x is the equation true. So there's also another strategy that we can use here that I'll show you in a second. But using the simplify strategy, anytime I have a base and an exponent, as long as those bases are the same, which they are in this case, 2 and 2, I can always set the exponents equal to each other, right? If 2 to the 2x plus 7 must be equal to 2 to the 15th, that means that 2x plus 7 must be equal to 15, right? That's the only way to get both of these numbers to be the exact same value. So now it's just algebra, right? So I subtract 7 from both sides. I end up with 2x equals 8. I divide both sides by 2. And I have x equals 4. So there would be my solution, and we see that's choice B. But like I mentioned, there is another option here because this question also very neatly fits into a strategy that I call plug-in answers, PIA, plug-in answers. Now, how do I know that I can use plug-in answers? Well, anytime that you have a question that's asking for the value of a single variable, in this case x, and all of our answer choices represent that single variable, plug-in answers is an option. So how do I do that? Well, I take the original question, 2x plus 7 equals 2 to the 15th, and I just try each answer. So I try answer choice A, which is saying that x is equal to 2. So I try that. I say, okay, well, let's see. When I put 2 in, oops, I put 4. I'm getting ahead of myself. When I put 2 in for x, does this become a true statement? Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so it becomes 2 to the 4 plus 7 equals 2 to the 15. And 2 to the 4 plus 7 is 11. 2 to the 11 does not equal 2 to the 15, and therefore choice A is gone. And what you will find, and I'll just do this one for you, so B, what you'll find is that when we get down to plugging in 4 for our x, we find that this does work, right? 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, so we get 2 to the 15th equals 2 to the 15th, which is a true statement, further confirming that choice B is the correct answer. So 2 methods here, plug in answers or simplify. I tend to go this route because, again, it's easy to spot that this is only a single line, and my mind can quickly think about simplification. But let's say you don't remember this rule, you never learned this rule, it's not easy for it to come to your mind. It's good to know that there's another option here called plug-in answers that will also get you to the correct answer.